Good day, please tell me about yourself and your family.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Hazel Nolguan, 24 years old, married, and a mother of three.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I don't have, but I have 3 years working experience as housemaid here in the Philippines.
So what is your main duty as a housemaid?
I do the cleaning and also sometimes the cooking.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 9 or 10 p.m. in the evening and wake up at 5 a.m. in the
Are,
morning.
are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at work?
No, because we have also other helper to do the cooking and marketing.
How do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
My parents raised me well and teach me how to be independent.
Do they spoil you?
No,
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
um, I usually do other things to calm myself.
How would you describe your previous employer?
They were nice. They treat me as or just like their own family.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
Yes,
Can you sing a nursery song?
yes, of course.
Okay, please sing.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Thank you, and please say something to your future employer.
To my future employer, thank you for choosing me as your helper. I'll assure you, you'll not be disappointed of choosing me. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.